Hey guys, Daniel here of Tonight Techno Guide, and this is my review of the Huawei Nova 10 SE smartphone. I have the mint green color variant here, and it has these big camera rings at the back that makes the device stand out. It looks more iconic in the silver and black variants though. The back panel has a glittery and matte texture, while the sides faithfully resemble the color scheme. Its volume buttons are on the right side along with the power button that also functions as a fast fingerprint scanner. At the bottom are the loudspeaker, USB Type-C port, microphone and SIM card tray that can accommodate 2 nano SIM cards. There's another microphone at the top of the device. It's a slim smartphone measuring 7.39mm only and tipping the scale at 184 grams. There's a free phone case in the box that protects the phone while keeping the design visible. It feels sturdy and well built when holding the phone, a testament to Huawei's hardware manufacturing expertise. On the front of the phone is its large 6.67-inch display. It's an OLED screen with Full HD resolution and up to 90Hz of screen refresh rate. That means vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a customizable always-on display feature. It's even bright enough for a decent legibility outdoors under the noontime sun. It has narrow bezels on all 3 sides, left, right, and top. The chin is also on the small side, and there's a punch hole for the selfie camera. Here's how it looks like when watching YouTube videos and Netflix shows.
Dances. Their colour is an indication that they're fit and strong.
The Huawei Nova 10 SE is equipped with triple rear cameras. It's composed of a 108-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 2-megapixel macro camera. It can produce good-looking pictures in many situations and shooting styles. Here are several sample pictures. It tends to favor a more natural look with landscape pictures, while pictures of people look brighter and livelier. The ultra-wide camera also takes sharp pictures, while portrait mode applies pleasing beautification and bokeh effects. Pictures still look decent at night, but slightly grainy and has less details. A dedicated night mode can take sharp and colorful pictures of decorative lights, which is perfect for the holiday season. It captures good quality videos with decent EIS or stabilization, making handheld videos look smooth. For selfies, the Huawei Nova 10 SE has a 16-megapixel front camera. Selfies look sharp with natural colors, and it can be set to a normal field of view or a wider field of view to fit more people in the picture. It can also shoot videos at Full HD resolution with decent quality. However, there's no stabilization for the front camera. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset with 8GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, and the EMUI software. It's smooth in opening apps, scrolling across social media, applying filters to pictures, and switching between apps. The 90Hz screen refresh rate also makes animations and transitions feel more fluid and snappy. It scored more than 227,000 points on the Antutu benchmark, 384 points on Geekbench 5 single core, and 1,671 points on Geekbench 5 multi-core. The Huawei app gallery now has a wider array of available apps, from social media, entertainment, productivity, games, and even finance apps. I was able to install Facebook Messenger, TikTok, Netflix, Spotify, PUBG Mobile, Reddit, and Gcash without much effort. For Google Apps, there's always the browser to fall back on, but for a more seamless experience, there are virtualization solutions like GSpace and the new Gbox, where YouTube, Gmail, Google Meet, and other Google apps can be installed. Now let's talk about its gaming performance. The Huawei Nova 10 SE can run games like Mobile Legends smoothly at high or ultra graphics quality with some frame drops during clashes and team fights.
Victory!
I was also able to play PUBG Mobile at balanced graphics quality. That's a step above the lowest setting and frame drops are slightly more obvious. It's good enough for casual gamers who play these games to pass time and for some entertainment. Hardcore gamers won't be contented with its performance though. It's a dual SIM smartphone with 4G LTE connectivity. It can provide high-speed mobile internet speeds in areas with good 4G plus signals. However, it would have been better if it had the faster 5G connectivity. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and NFC all work well, while wired earphones can be plugged in the USB Type-C port since there's no 3.5mm audio jack. The single bottom firing loudspeaker has good enough sound quality for a smartphone. I usually use it to listen to lo-fi music while writing new blog posts. It has a 4500 mAh battery that can last a day on a single charge. I'm usually left with about 25 to 30% charge after using it normally for the whole day. Playing games continuously can drain the phone's battery in 6 to 7 hours. Thankfully, it only needs 40 minutes to recharge back to 100% battery capacity thanks to its 66 watts of supercharged fast charging technology. The charger included in the box has 3 prongs though, so you might need an adapter like this. The Huawei Nova 10 SE is a well-designed smartphone with a high-quality display, good cameras, decent performance, and fast battery charging. Many apps can be installed using the Huawei App Gallery, and several solutions are now available for using Google Apps nearly seamlessly. However, the lack of 5G connectivity is still unfortunate. Thank you and see you guys in my next review.